Let's see this question. So we are given two circles are there whose centers are separated by a distance of d units. And we have to find the length of AB, which is a transverse common tangent. So this is not unlike before. It's not a direct common tangent, but it's a transverse common tangent. So to start with, we'll first draw the radius OA and O dash B. We know that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So this angle is 90 degrees. And this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, we are doing a construction here. That is, first is we are extending OA further. And second construction is we are drawing O dash M parallel to AB. So by construction, we can say that these two lines are parallel. And if we look at the radius, this is a radius, this is a radius, and this particular tangent, it's a transverse is there. And we know that, and these angles are alternate interior angles, which are 90 degree each. So if alternate interior angles are equal, these lines, we can say that these are parallel to each other. And this is in continuation, right? And this point, we have named it as M. If we have a look at this figure, now this figure is your opposite sides are parallel to each other. So this figure is a parallelogram. And one of the angle is 90 degree. So this figure is a rectangle. If this is a rectangle, then this angle has to be 90 degrees. Also, opposite sides are equal. So we can say that this radius given as R1, this radius is given as, this is R1, this we take it as R2. Now opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So this is equals to this side. So this becomes R2. And opposite sides again will take are equal. This is equals to this. So your O dash M is nothing but length AB is there. Now if we'll concentrate on the triangle, this triangle is what we'll focus on. Now it's a 90 degree angle, so it's a right angle triangle. So in triangle OMO dash, we are applying Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square is equals to side square. That's OM square plus O dash M square. OO dash is given as D. So this is D square is OM is R1 plus R2 whole square plus O dash M. That's your same as AB. AB is what length of tangent we have to find. So here solving it, we'll get your AB square is D square minus R1 plus R2 whole square, or AB is square root of D square minus R1 plus R2 whole square. And this is what we had to find. And this is our answer. I hope you enjoyed the solution. We'll see you next video. Till then, tata, bye-bye.